Now here's my gear in case you're wondering and what it takes in order to really run this operation. I gotta make it clear. It does take actually some, well, your computer has to be powerful. So this is actually, first I'll show you the computer that I used to really start everything. So this was my starting computer, and back in the day I was an absolute brokey. So $1,000 for me was like truly a substantial, a gigantic amount of money, and this computer was the best I could do. And naturally, that's kind of like the exact budget and the type of computer that most other people can do and like initially afford, and it's fine. That's about exactly roughly like the absolute bare minimum of what it takes in order to produce like somewhat videos of decent level. In fact, my most popular video on AI Guide, the one that currently, depending on you watch this, but right now it has little over or close to 800,000 views. Probably has over a million by the time you watch this, but this video was made on here and it has a bunch of effects and all the cool stuff. So this computer can obviously handle this, but it was extremely slow producing like high level videos for AI Guide. So the $1,000 price cap can, like, I could really feel that I need something better. I need something more powerful. But if you're doing like a personal brand channel where you're just gonna turn on OBS and just like talk on the camera, it's a perfect computer. You don't need anything else. If you're gonna have some needs, so to speak, then well, I have some needs. So this is what I got for my needs. Now it's a bit ridiculous, to be honest with you. Really is. But this what I'm using currently. So after tax, it was like after everything, and they're also running it on discount right now. But I personally paid over $4,000 for this computer. Again, I mean, it's a ridiculous amount of money to spend on a computer. But as you can see, well, the hertz don't really matter. What does matter, it has Intel Core i9 14th gen, and what really matters if you want to be a successful YouTuber, it has 64 freaking gigabytes of RAM, which is so much. Additionally, it has GeForce 4090. So basically, rendering of videos happens fast. Like it goes done, rendered, generated. In fact, I can even show you. Like, let's go to CapCut. That's currently the course I'm recording, and let's just try to render with this computer how long this video is going to be. So that's like roughly a 2-minute video. And this computer, by the way, is on silent mode right now. So if I go to MSI, it's currently on silent. And if I go to export, so it just almost instantly, right? And this could never be possible on my old computer, and that's the case now. And it's like that for small videos. For big videos, for big videos it takes a little longer, but again, time is money. This expensive computer saves me like 10 times the time now. It just never lags. Like, I don't know anymore what it's like when computer is lagging. So, but that's the price. I mean, if you have $4,000 to spend, extra $4,000 to spend, good, go for it. Buy the most expensive stuff that there is in the market. You are not going to regret it because you're going to need it. If not, that's kind of okay to start, right? So yeah, just wanted to lay it out here.